Am I the only one that didn't know Benidorm is this exciting? Or I will show you how to get the best Benidorm experience of your life. I'm Benidorm Scooter Sue, your local guide with a twist. I've got pink hair, a red three-wheeled scooter, and a big love for this vibrant city. Join me as we zip through the bustling streets, soak up the sun, and experience Benidorm from a fresh street-level view. From the lively tapas alley to the stunning Levante beach, we'll uncover hidden gems and local favourites. Plus, I'll show you the accessible side of Benidorm, making sure everyone can enjoy this amazing place. Whether it's festivals, food, or just a friendly chat with the locals, you'll see it all right here. So buckle up and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to never miss an adventure with Benidorm Scooter Sue. Let's explore Benidorm together, one scooter ride at a time. Catch you on the next ride.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Benidorm Scooter Sue and welcome to my adventures from a mobility scooter. So we're going to take a little ride up through the Benidorm town centre. We've got a beggar there disturbing people while they're eating. Not good. Walking around with a cup in his hands. And we have yet another supermarket. And how many more supermarkets do we really need, guys? I mean, come on, like, there's way too many. Really annoys me when beggars approach tables where people are trying to eat a meal. I think it's incredibly rude. But Marcus has a way of dealing with them. And usually beggars or lucky men tend not to bother us.
Depends on what type of mood I'm in.
Which is usually grouchy.
Oh, cheeky.
It's always a nice mix of sounds and smells. I don't know how anybody can think that looks appetising. You want to see it when you got the flies crawling over it when it gets hot?
I'd have fun.
Huh?
Any day of week, I'd have fun.
What, after flies pooped on it?
Well, just rub it over with your shirt or a bit of tissue and
No,
eat it.
not for me.
Gobs up.
I see him take the meat out of them at night and then just put it back the next day. One of Marcus's favourite shops. Guy who used to do the tricks around the bar with the dog has now got a scooter. It is just too hot today to be doing this. Nice little alleyways. What I am seeing are a lot of blankets. Oh, there's actually a guy sleeping there. So, okay, maybe actually genuine. But there's been a lot of blankets outside the shops today. Got alley hop there, and of course,
What to do it?
the I Love Benidorm.
I just say something.
So thanks for watching. Please hit that like, hit the share, hit the subscribe, and I will see you all on the next video.